Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for tuning in to a Happy Mail episode. That's right, this bad boy is addressed to Charlie Christmas. Hey, I'm going to take that name all day long. Alright, so we have here a Happy Mail episode. Got this in the mail and it was addressed to Charlie Christmas. Now, I'm not saying that's what everybody should call me, but that is an awesome name. I'm just saying Charlie Christmas. I'm going to coin that. This is from KB Fibers in our contest that Hoss from Off Kilter Homestead started, the hashtag Harvest Moon giveaway. This guy, Charlie Christmas, won KB Fibers, Karen's channel's giveaway. How cool is that? Now, in all fairness, I was her third choice, much like my wife's. I mean, what? No. I was her third choice, but you know what? I'm going to take it all day long. She drew a winner, they didn't respond. She drew a winner, they didn't respond. She drew a winner, and I immediately responded. So thank you so much for this. I'm curious to what it is. Let's find. You know what? My wife's not even here today. She'll never know. I'll be right back. That's right. When the wife's away, the good scissors come out, by gosh. All right, let's see what this bad boy is. I don't know what it is. Looks like it's got a hardback on the back, so I'll go in through the back. And thank you again, Karen, for thinking of me and sending me this. I really do appreciate it. Oh, it's even got a card. I never remember to put a card in my packages. The name's escaping me of who won the grand prize, but I didn't put a card in hers. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, so card first. I'm a big card guy. A lot of people aren't card people. I'm a card guy, so Karen, I appreciate this. That's probably the one thing I actually hoard is I have every card I've ever received. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching my channel and participating in the Harvest Moon giveaway. I hope you enjoy these items. I would love to see a video, doing that right now, of you opening it, if at all possible. Thank you again, Karen KB Fibers. Thank you, Karen. It is appreciated. All right. So let's see what we got here. Got green, my favorite color. Love green. We have here some. Woo! What is this? Oh, that is awesome. Oh my God. Yes. This is awesome. Now, be honest with me. Do I look as sexy as I feel? Because I feel sexy right now. I just do. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a little bell. Woohoo! Karen, you could not have given me anything more neat. I needed a new hat in my rotation. Boom. This is awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, what is it? Oh my goodness. What? What? They're crocheted light bulbs, Christmas light bulbs, with a little face on there. Oh my goodness, Karen. Wow. Wow. Let's give it up for Karen from KB Fiber. My goodness, Karen. I gotta be honest with you, Karen. I was thinking you give me some yarn, and my wife, Jean, reminded me, hey, you remember you told Dana a while back that if you got yarn in any contest you ever won, you'd pick up yarn crocheting? I'm like, shut up, wife. Sure, my wife remembers everything. I'm like, yes, that is what I'll do. I'm a man of my word. If I say it, I do it. This is a much better thing. This is phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you ever so much, Karen. This is phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Never would I thought you'd have taken the time out of your day, your month, your week, whatever. I almost did the Friends song there, didn't I? Your day, your month, your week, even your year, to do something curtailed to this guy, Charlie Christmas, right? And you gave me a cool moniker, Charlie Christmas. That is awesome. Man, this is awesome. And you know what? Some upcoming episodes. To tell you what's coming up in the next few weeks is, I thought I had it behind me, I don't. I'm going to do some more water versus electricity. I'm going to do another water versus electricity episode. I'm sorry I can't talk. I'm excited. This is really, really neat. Water versus electricity episode, some acrylic lighted balls episode. I got another company sending me some more lights to test, so that's coming up here in the next few weeks. Hopefully I can find time to get to my prop builds. This is my humongously busy time of the year. I'm taking the package just arrived the other day. I told Karen when I come in I would film it. I did not expect, honestly, I figured it would be just some yarn. Again, this is as speechless as I can get, but this is my version of speechless. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take a breath and calm down for half a second so I can talk. So those are the episodes that we have coming up here recently, the next few episodes. Karen, you blew me away. You blew me away. I'm losing track. Except for the bell. I'm losing track of what I need to talk about. So we have a new Patreon member we're gonna talk about in the next few episodes. We're doing water versus electricity, Patreon. Gonna test some lights. Oh, how to repair lights. How to repair lights. I meant to do it last year and I didn't have time to do it last year. So how to repair lights. That's gonna come out. That's gonna save some folks a lot of money. Saves me thousands. It just does. You know, I'm gonna get out of here. That's about it for today. But Karen, I'm telling you right now, permanent part of the show. Permanent part of the show. I'm telling you right now. And I'm gonna wear this hat more often than I don't. Just around the house. Love it. Hopefully I have it on right. I can't hear you. What? I do have it on right. Okay. Thank you so much. Guys, show Karen some love down in the comments and let her know what you think of my new outfit. Oh, how topical is that? Look at that. Wearing the elf costume, or wearing the elf shirt, as I'm instantly dressed like elf. You rock, Karen. Thank you ever so much. That's about it for today. You, Karen. I'm Charlie. I'll see you folks in the next episode.